2 rounds into the Pro Motocross Series. That's the crash right there in Moto 1 at Paula or Fox Raceway, whatever you want to call it, that has taken Chase Sexton out for an indeterminate amount of time. Now, obviously, he missed race 2 there, and then the news that came out Friday saying that he was going to be out of Hangtown and that he's not going to be back on the bike until he's 100%. How as ambiguous as that is. Well, from Lewis Phillips, as of today, as I'm recording this, yesterday, because this is 2 o'clock in the morning, Ian Harrison, this is a quote, Ian Harrison just told me he expects Chase to return at Southwick. Now, obviously, we've got Thunder Valley, High Point, and Southwick, so he'd be missing 4 rounds, well, pretty much 4 rounds. If you consider the first one, he didn't get any points there, so technically. And Southwick is June 28th, so as this is June 1st now, that means 28 days, 29 days that he'd be missing. And who knows if this is actually going to happen. There's no, as far as I can see, whatever you want to call it, there is no PR update on what the injury is, how bad it is, what it actually is. Is it a shoulder injury? Is it a concussion? Is it him being, I don't know, a mental case and just deciding I don't want to race until I feel like it? Or is this just one of those things that I'm sore and I don't want to race on the KTM anymore? I'm waiting to go over to Cowie and this is a good excuse to be done with this. Who knows? I mean, obviously it's just, this is this sport, major names are injured. We have no reason or no knowledge of what is wrong, how long they'll be out, if they're going to, it's just, to me, absolutely insane that somebody in his position, the returning champion, the defending champion of the outdoor series, gets injured and we don't hear anything for a week. And then what we do hear is, I'm sore, I'm a little battered, and I won't be racing again until I feel 100%. Nothing from the team, nothing about what it is. It's just, to me, it's just absolutely insane that stuff like this works, especially now that there's betting in this sport. It's just incredible that this is, I don't want to say allowed, that's not the right word, but it's just insane to me that this is a thing. So if he is back for Southwick, that's good. I mean, it means he'll be back for most of the season. I mean, there'll be 7 rounds, he'll miss 4, so over 50% he'll be racing. Obviously, that takes him completely out of a championship because, well, he's already out now, missing 2 rounds, being, who knows what, 100 points down, but he'll still get some points for the SMX playoffs, and he'll still be back on the bike and racing against Jet and Tomac, hopefully healthy, so he can, maybe provide a championship spoiler. He starts getting some wins and pushing points around, but who knows? To me, it's just, we may never see him. I mean, if they expect him to see there, he might come back and say, no, I don't feel good, or I don't feel right still, and not race. Who knows where this is actually going to fall? It's just as ambiguous as you can possibly get. No notice, no wording, no idea of what actually is wrong, and it's just going to be him saying, I'll come back when I want to. So, I don't know. That's why I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is he done with KTM and this is just an easy exit? Do you think he'll actually be back for Southwick? Are you going to any of the upcoming rounds? What do we got left? Thunder Valley and High Point before the nice sandy Southwick? Or any of the later rounds? I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.